Hey there, creative minds. Are you looking for a way to supercharge your writing process and stay organized like never before? Well, today I'm going to show you how Notion AI can help you write better, faster, and more efficiently, all from one powerful, versatile platform. Let's dive in. Pause for emphasis. Imagine having your entire writing world in one place. Your ideas, research, deadlines, and progress all neatly organized and easily accessible. That's exactly what Notion does. It's a game changer for writers who want to keep their projects on track without drowning in a sea of scattered documents. First up, Notion makes idea capture a breeze. Think of it as your digital notebook. Want to jot down a sudden inspiration or a killer title? Just open a quick note or add it to an idea index. Later, you can expand on those notes when inspiration strikes again. It's all about keeping your creativity flowing without losing those sparks. Next, let's talk about project management. Notion allows you to create databases for each writing project, whether you're working on an article, a novel, or a blog series. You can add deadlines, priorities, and task checklists. Managing all the moving parts has never been easier. Now, here's something I love: tracking your progress. Set your daily word count goals, monitor your writing sessions, or create habit trackers. Seeing your progress builds momentum and keeps you motivated to hit those targets. And for research lovers, yes, that's all of us, Notion keeps your notes, links, and resources neatly linked to each project. No more hunting through endless tabs or buried files. Everything's right there, ready whenever you need it. But wait, I have to be honest, while Notion is fantastic for organization, it's not the best tool for drafting long-form content. Some find its formatting a bit limiting and worry about potential distractions or data security since it's cloud-based. Keep that in mind. So, who is it perfect for? If you're juggling multiple projects, love brainstorming ideas, or want a central hub for all your writing needs, Notion is your go-to platform. Pause for effect. Ready to take your writing game to the next level? Dive into Notion today, personalize it to fit your style, and watch your ideas come to life like never before. Don't just write, organize, plan, and conquer with Notion AI. Thanks for watching, and happy writing. Remember, when your ideas are organized and your goals are clear, there's nothing you can't create. See you next time.